let's create generate model. So whenever we press on generate, it will open the model. So go back to the page. This we can close this one. So into our component, let's create generate image model .tsx AFCE. Let's do the capital. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Let's create one more is generated model open. We can just set is generated model open to false. So basically we are doing same as the model open for image. So let's go back here. Let's create handle open generated model, giving the index, set selected image index into the index, and set image model to be open true. And one more we need to close, so handle close generate model. Let's give the arrow function and set is generate model open false. And set selected image index to the null. So we are doing basically same as the for image to open the model screen. So let's go down here, and after those brackets I will comment it out. So generate image model. We will check is generated model open, otherwise selected image index is equals to null, otherwise we are just opening generated image model and sending on close handle close generated model. So let's take this and go to this page. So now here let's take the onClose function. What we will need here is title, set title using use state hook, because we will need a new title for new image. Same for prompt. So set here prompt, one more for loading, set loading to be false, and the output to be null. So let's create our function for handle title change, setting the title e.target value. Let's do for prompt, same for the prompt. So let's copy it, paste it. Let's do here prompt, set prompt. Okay. Now let's create a handle generate click. So set loading to full on true. Okay, so now let's go to our Hugging Face page. Log in, guys. After you need to go to the settings, going to the access tokens. You can create new token or just clicking the token. You will have this token. Just copy and go back. So you can do for now. So image token and paste the token. Just close this. Okay, let's try and catch the errors. So let's do console error generate image. So message. Let's go back here. Just e.message. Okay, and we can do the finally after the image, we get the image, set loading to be false. So on try, let's do const response await fetch. Let's fetch our data. So I have paste the URL, so API inference huggingface.com like co/models goofy cyborg style. Okay, we need the method post headers content type application JSON and authorization bearer and paste, and you can paste the from env this API key. So I will do now like this, but you can do the env. So let's go to the body, JSON stringify, inputs, prompt. So this input will get the prompt from input that we fill in. Okay, that's it for this function. So let's create model ref using use ref. It's this ref we will doing same as for the image. Whenever we press outside of our div container, we will close it. One more thing I forgot. So after this body, so we need to check if response okay. So through not okay, so through new error, failed to generate image. Otherwise, const block await response blob. So set the output. Yeah, I have mistake here, so do like this. Just do output, so URL create object URL and do the block. Save it. Okay. Now for this we need to use effect hook. So const handle click outside event. So checking if model ref current or not model ref to current. Don't forget it. That contains event that target or event target tag name to lower case is not equals to ng. We can do one close. So what does it mean? Whenever we have the small, I will show you. Whenever we have the small container, we can just click outside, we can close it, but whenever we have generated, we have the image, so that whenever we click it, we don't close it. Okay, and after the green bracket, let's write document that add event listener to mouse down, and let's give it a handle click outside. Return document remove event listener and handle click outside. And don't forget the array on close. Okay, let's style our div now, our image model. So let's do the div. Let's give it a class name fixed in set of 0 flex items center justify center background black, and give the opacity of 90. So for the second div, let's give the flex max width for screen large, max high of the screen, and overflow hidden. Let's write one more div, so it will have the flex shrink 0 relative and overflow hidden. So now we will have the result section. Let's do if not loading and output, or it means like, so return the div and inside img so give this for this div class name result image flex and items start, and for this image src output alt art, and the class name width of 400 pixels, height of 600 pixels, object cover rounded, what was it, top right, none, rounded bottom right, or let's do like rounded right none, and let's do rounded left md. Okay, and after image, let's do the div. Let's close this. Let's give the class name of flex column. After this div, let's write div. Let's give the ref of model ref and the class name flex shrink 0 width of 80, background black, padding of 4, flex column rounded right md, and relative. Okay, so inside let's create here is the model content, so let's do h1 generate image, class name text white, so text to XL, font bold, and margin bottom of 2. Let's create form. So this form will have the class name of width 64. So here is the title input So let's create div, label, and write title. For this div, let's do margin bottom 4. For the label, HTML4 title, class name text small, and text array 200. Okay, after label, let's do the input, type of text, ID, we can give the title, value, title, and change, handle, title change, placeholder, enter title, and lastly class name with full border array 200, rounded, padding left right of 2, and this one 1. Okay, after this title div, let's do prompt input. So let's take this fully, paste it, and let's write here prompt. Let's give it prompt, and here text, title prompt, here also handle prompt change, here enter prompt, save it. After prompt div, let's do loading, or if it's not loading, let's do the div loading. So let's give the class name of loading and 4. Okay, after loading, let's write one more div. So class name flex, justify between, padding top of 2. So inside we will have generate button, let's do button generate, let's do type button on click, handle generate click, so that we have made it before, and let's give styles of background to ACC71, text white, paddings rounded, and width of 28. Okay, we have the generate, and after the button we can do upload button. We will do the conditionally rendered. So what does it mean? Whenever we press on generate, we will see the button of upload. So let's do output, otherwise button. So we can take this button, just change and we don't need to click, and we need upload. One more thing that we need to do is to go to the page, into our header, and let's write on open generate model, and let's give the handle open generate model. Where is it? Let's do the capital. Okay, let's go to our header. Let's write prompt. So let's go to our here button, where is generate. Let's write on click arrow function to this one, on open generate model. Save it. Let's go check it. As you can see. Okay, let's click on generate, and let's do Superman. Let's hit the generate. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, I have generated nice looking Superman. So you can generate again a different picture, or you can just upload it. But for now, the front end ends here, because we will use the backend for upload. So we will upload to the storage, and from storage we will get the data. So here's the end of our front end side. So you can see we have search, we have the hover, so we have title, description, title, prompt, and the user. We can like it, we can press it, we see the whole description, comments, we can fill something, like it, and we can generate. And of course we have our profile.